This is the JLab Talk Go, and for about $50, it is one of the most impressive budget microphones for streaming, gaming, and for YouTube. I'm going to be comparing this microphone to two other microphones I've used in the past, and let's see how well it holds up. Let's take a look at how this microphone looks, and on the outside it doesn't really look like anything that's special. It has a mostly plastic and metal construction, and on the inside you can see a little bit of foam insulation as well to help with sound dampening, and on the bottom you have the JLab logo and a tally light which indicates when the microphone is turned on, turned off, or even muted. At the bottom of the microphone we have a USB-C port, the volume control, and the mute button. And you guys know just how much I love mute buttons, so let's see how this one works. You just put your hand at the bottom of the microphone and press. Sorry, like I was saying, as you can see, I was still talking, but you probably couldn't hear anything. The light on the microphone turns red, indicating that it was muted, and when you press the button again, the sound is restored. It's also got a 3.5mm port at the bottom in case you want to plug your headphones directly into the microphone and monitor your audio. It also has a volume knob to help you control the volume of the audio coming into your ears while you are monitoring from the port. I have an additional pop filter on the microphone which helps with plosives, but I think the microphone does handle those very well. And as always, we can do our plosives test to find out. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. Jeez. Okay, you get the gist basically. So it's to help with all the sounds that have P and B and, to help them not explode in your ears. And if you're still watching at this point, then you're amazing. Leave a microphone emoji in the comment section below and I will respond to you. This microphone has a cardioid polar pattern, meaning the best sound quality comes from directly in front of the microphone, as if you speak anywhere else around it, your voice will not sound very amplified at all. And as expected, the closer you get to the microphone, the better your voice sounds, or the crisper your voice sounds. Now let's compare it to my very first microphone. The real OGs on the channel will remember I made so many videos about that microphone, and that is the Yodo USB microphone. This is what you're going to get when you just plug the microphone into your computer or your phone or whatever you are recording your audio with. And yeah, this has not been touched. The noise has not been reduced. The gain was not increased. There was no compression or whatever added to this segment of the video. I also tested the plosives and things like that in my previous video with the unboxing and initial review of this microphone. So make sure to go and check that out if you're curious as to how that sounds. Okay, and now let's compare it to a more recent microphone I had, which unfortunately I had to leave behind, and that is the Fifine Ampligame. But I said when you tap it, it completely turns off the sound of the microphone. And as you noticed, when I tapped the top of the microphone, the lights went off. So this is to show that the microphone was muted, and when it's on, the microphone is unmuted. So it's very easy for you to remember. Just tap it when you're in your Zoom meeting or in your classroom or in your whatever it is that you're doing and you don't want people to hear what you're saying. You don't want to be caught talking about your teacher behind your back while your microphone is unmuted, do you? So that's how this microphone stood up against the Yodo USB microphone and the Fifine Ampligame. None of those audio samples were touched or treated in any way whatsoever. They were straight from the microphone to my recording device. Let me know which one you think sounded best in the comment section right below the like button, and please subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video. My name is Johannes, this is Tech PhD, and I'll see you in one of the videos showing on the screen right around everywhere here. So yeah, see you in the next video. Peace.